Hi guys, today we're going to have a baby girl. I'm going to show you my typical newborn sessions workflow. Look at these flowers I picked up this morning. Flowers and girl. My favorite combo. 地上先铺一块毯子。 Just so you know, today is a sunny day. Natural light is very sufficient, so we're gonna use natural light for this part. This particular backdrop is designed by myself. 这可是我自己设计的，放小盆、羊毛毡。 So the next one is girl with pearl earring. This picture here. Gonna remove the picture obviously. 好，留一个框架。Brown flocati, 2 little pearls with sticky tape at the back. 上宝宝。
Oh God, please no! No!
Oh, what's going on, Baba? We'll probably have to start over. Naughty girl. We only just started. That's okay. Change your nappy nice and clean. It's not good. Oh, the wrapping is complete. Now I want to recreate this image. Okay. 这一步我觉得印度人会比较得心应手吧。这是我第一次给宝宝包头巾。Pearl earrings. So depending on the style of the photo I'm after, sometimes I use the white side of the panel to fill up the shadow, and sometimes I use the black side of the foam to create more of a volume. So do you prefer this one with the white foam or this one with the black foam? There's no right or wrong, it's just a personal preference. My preference is this one. Okay, let's take a look at the photos we did on this session. Give me a thumb up or subscribe my channel. I'll see you again in the next video.